Hello guys, so this is Mohammed, and this is a project that I'm doing for CET 4711. And right now I'm just going to show you how to basically build a circuit and explain you what pins to connect where. So this is very simple. There are a few things that you need, and it's very low budget project. Because of time I couldn't do anything fancy, so I'm just gonna take out the wires and then go back to the beginning and show you how to do them based on the schematics that I have. Okay, so you need an Arduino. You can use pretty much any Arduino, but I use the Mega 256 or 2560, and then you would need a ultrasonic sensor. You need 10 pieces of wires because of the connections to Arduino from the breadboard. And few resistors, right? So you need 4 resistors. So 3 for the LED and 1 for the buzzer. So I'm not gonna take out the resistors, there's no point. So basically this is a breadboard, you can use a small one. And then what what I got was this ultrasonic sensor. This is, I forgot which model this was, but this has 5 pins instead of 4. So the schematics that I'm going to show you has 4 pins, I'm sorry. So the one extra pin that this one has is the out, which you don't need, right? So you're going to be using the VCC, the eco, the trig, and the ground pin. So you could place it over here in this side. I recommend it over there because that's not going to interfere with anything else. You can place it anywhere, and then once you do that, you would I would go and then connect the LEDs first. So this is the green LED. I'm just gonna connect it over here, and then the yellow LED, and the red LED. Also, just make sure that you connect the pins in the proper way or direction, otherwise this will not light up, which I did when I was first trying it. I connected it the other way, so that as a result it didn't turn on, and I was going crazy. So that's that, and then now you can have a buzzer, the black wire and the red wire. Okay, I'm gonna leave the buzzer right over here, and then what you're gonna do is start connecting the wires to the Arduino. So one wire you're gonna connect the according to the schematics, the ground, right? So you're gonna take the ground from the ultrasonic sensor to the negative of this board. Okay, so that's that. And then you're gonna take the VCC pin, which is the first one, right? And then you're gonna connect it to the positive of this board. It doesn't matter which one, as long as it's, because this is same and this way is the same. So that's that. And then now I forgot, I connected it the wrong way, so you gotta connect the black with the resistor so it doesn't really blow up. It doesn't matter where you connect the red one, but you do have to take a wire and connect the red one to according to schematics, I connected it to the So 0, 1, 2, 3, pin number 3, and then you will take another wire. Actually, let's finish connecting the sensor. So the next one, you're gonna connect the eco, right? Eco, according to the schematics, I'm gonna connect it to the pin 6. So this one will go to pin 6. Okay. And then the trig, I'll connect to pin 7. Remember, it doesn't really matter how you connect it, as long as it's in the proper input and output. And then I'll connect the LEDs now. So let's take the wires. So the red LED, I'll connect it to pin 9, right? And then the yellow LED, which is in the middle, I'll connect it to pin 10. And then the last one, the green LED, I'm going to connect that one to pin 11. Remember, you can connect it to any pins available, as long as you declare that in the Arduino code. So that's that. So these are the connections. So right now I'm going to connect the board itself, the positive and negative. Okay, so this one really doesn't matter where you connect. So I'm just gonna, to just show you guys as an example, I'm gonna connect this positive to the 5 volt over here in the Arduino board. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna take the negative from here. This is just to show that it doesn't matter which way you connect. I'm gonna connect this to the ground over here. Okay, right next to the positive. So here you go, guys. So this is the circuit itself. There's nothing else you need to do, and that's pretty much it. So make sure nothing comes in front of the sensor, because that's gonna interfere. So I'll try to put this somewhere else, maybe this side. Okay. All right. So now that's the circuit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to the power source. Alright guys, so it's time to connect the power the Arduino board so we can see what's really going on. So just to show you or explain you what this will do is, this is like a alert system or personal security system, right? So I'm using the ultrasonic sensor to detect an object or someone who's coming closer near to this circuit or board, or you could basically make it a it's basically a sensor that you're gonna put so that you can detect someone or some object. All right, so now the purpose for this sensor is to detect someone as it comes closer to this one, and then the LED has also some job, which is this. The first one is the green LED, and the yellow and the red, right? So the green will light up as soon as somebody or the sensor detects someone, right? And then the yellow will tell or light up once the person is at a certain distance, if the person is closer. And the red LED will light up if the person is really close, or at a distance that you set up and you don't want that person or object near, to be near. And then as soon as the red LED lights up, the buzzer should also buzz, right? Indicating that something's going on as an alert system. Okay, so let's power up the Arduino. You can power it up anyway. You can use the USB, or you could use the power source also. So I'm gonna connect it with my laptop. Okay, so as you can see, the Arduino powered up, and I already put the code in, so hopefully it works. But you definitely would have to put the code in once you do that. And I'm gonna show you guys the code also later on. So let me just reset. Make sure it runs from the beginning. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the Arduino interface, and basically show you how to, once you connect, what you should do and how you should basically upload it to the Arduino board. So here you go. So let's so this is a tool. You gotta go to tool, and then you gotta make sure there's the right board, and then the port must be the right port. So in my case it's COM3. So, and then it shows on the bottom also. So now you're gonna paste the code um, that you have to upload, and then now you'll upload the code to the Arduino board. And you can definitely verify before that, just to make sure nothing is wrong before you upload the code. So in my case, everything was right, and then I just uploaded that. So it's compiling now, and then once it's uploaded, our board should be ready to go. So you just gotta give a few more seconds, and it's uploading right now, and it says that done uploading. Okay, so we're now pretty much ready. We're gonna open the serial monitor and then show you how the code basically works. So I'm gonna go down to the LEDs, which has a distance indication on the if else statement. So now let's just the object is far away, and the green will light up if it's below 50 centimeters, right? And then if or else it will be low. So now my hand is near the sensor, and it's in the 40s, right? And then the green LED lights up, uh, as I will show in the demonstration. And then now it's even closer. If I bring my hand even closer, it's 20s, right? So that means the yellow LED lights up. And obviously now if I bring my hand even closer, which is 8 centimeter or 9 centimeter, that means the red LED lights up and the buzzer sounds. So that's the serial monitor to show that it works. Now we're gonna go back and then show you the actual demonstration. So now let me hold this so it makes better sound. Okay, so now let's test it out. All right, so I'm gonna put my hand somewhere, right? I'm gonna bring it closer, and here you go. The sensor detected an object, right? So it's basically using ultrasonic sound, basically sound wave, to measure the distance of something, from the sound that bounced off. And then I'm gonna come closer, right? As I'm coming closer, see the yellow LED lit up, showing that something that was detected is really close now. And I'm gonna come even more closer. That's the red LED, right? See, I'm closer. So you can hear the LED, and the board is moving because of the thing. So that means something is closer. So I'm gonna move back a little bit. LED turns off, and then it's still in yellow because the object didn't go to a safe distance. I'm gonna go a little bit further. There you go. It's in a safe distance, but the object is still there. That means the green light is still on. I'm gonna remove my hand from there, and as a result you'll see the green LED turned off. That means the object is not near the range of this sensor. Same thing, let's just say somebody tries to sneak in, right? And here you go, everything lights up, right? So just to show that, not only by order it works, by it works from the point where it should work from. So here you go, guys. This is this is a very simple project that you could do, and it doesn't take much long, and the accessories are very cheap also. And have fun with it. Thank you.